Hello, my dear student. Good morning. Welcome in your new class in KBRI Academy. I am your subject teacher of computer, myself Bindu Yadav. Now, let us discuss about third chapter, that is parts of computer. In this chapter, we will learn about parts of computer and comparison of mouse and computer mouse. Now comes to the topic, that is parts of computer. In our earlier classes, we learned that our body has many parts like eye, ear, nose, tongue, skin. Similarly, a computer also has many parts like monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard, UPS, and speakers. As we know very well that a computer has four main parts such as monitor, CPU, mouse, and keyboard. Now let us start learning about monitor. It looks like a television. It is also called video. Video stands for visual display unit. We can movies and play games on monitor. Okay. Now comes to the next, that is CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also known as brain of computer. It helps the computer to do work. CPU controls the whole computer. CPU looks like a box. Without CPU, computer will not start. Now comes to the very interesting fact, that is comparison of mouse and computer mouse. This is a mouse. The mouse has a tail. It runs, it eats. Now comes to the computer mouse. It helps you to work the computer. It has two or three buttons. The computer mouse is connected to the CPU through a wire. It is kept on a mouse pad. It makes the work faster and easier. It is a pointing device. It is used for selecting these things on monitor. Nowadays we have wireless computer mouse. Also, it cannot run. It cannot eat. It has a long tail. Okay. Now comparison of the mouse and the computer mouse. Mouse. It is an animal. It runs. It eats. It has a tail. It lives in the hole. Computer mouse. It is a machine. It cannot run. It cannot eat. It has a long tail. It lives with the computer. Okay. Now comes to the next topic, that is keyboard. As we know very well that it looks like a typewriter. It has many keys on it. These keys are used for writing on the computer. If you want to type any letters or numbers, press the key. A keyboard has some important key. The name of key are numeric keys, alphabet keys, function key, a special character key, caps lock key, a scroll key, shift key, control keys, spacebar key, escape key, enter key, page up, page down keys, home and end keys, up, down, left, right key, backspace key, delete key, insert key, alternate key. In our earlier classes, we learned that the keyboard keys help us to write on the computer. A keyboard can do lots of work without a keyboard. You cannot do most of the work on the computer. So the keyboard is one of the important parts of the computer. Okay. Now comes to the next one, that is UPS. UPS stand for Uninterrupted Power Supply. The UPS is an external power supply, as we know very well that it keeps the computer running for some time even after the electricity goes off. Thus, the UPS save data and shut down the computer gracefully. Now comes to the last topic, that is speakers. As we know very well that speakers are used for listening music on the computer. It is one of the most common output device used with computer system. It is used to play sound. They are connected with cables. Speaker allow you to listen to music and hear sound effect from your computer. Thank you.